Hey guys, so I'm gonna be trying soup today, and this is instant soup, like in a cup. So it looks like that, and there is a tomato and a baguette on there, and I'm gonna assume these are bread pieces because that's what I saw when I opened the packaging. And so I just stirred it around, and it smells really good. It smells really beefy, and the bread, I'm gonna assume it's really soggy because it's bread and it's dehydrated. That's what it said on the ingredients. So I'm gonna try it now. It's very tomatoey and beefy. So it's beefy tomatoey, if that even makes sense. And the bread is just soggy. I can't even pick it up. So you can just see it hanging over my spoon. Hot. And I'm drooling. Tastes like bread. Just extremely soggy bread. But yeah, that's all. This is a really short video. It's just soup. But I'll see you guys in my next video or taste test. Bye guys.